So if you want to view simple squamous epithelium using a lung section, all you have to do is first focus on the alveolar sacs or these parts, okay? So focus on one of these alveolar walls. Use the 400x magnification. Okay, and try to look for layers of flattened cells, such as because depending on the cell type, some alveolar cells are more cuboidal than flattened in nature. But that's okay. Let's focus on the flattened cells first. Okay. For example, here, I think this is a good example. So, as what I have said before, when looking for lining epithelium, just look for the openings or the lumen or spaces. Okay. So, in this case, you can see you have one layer of flattened cells here. So, this is their apical surface. And the basement membrane is somewhere here in the middle, because here on the other side is another layer of flattened cells, and here is the lumen where these cells are facing. Okay, so here's a lumen, and here is one layer of simple squamous lining epithelium, and here is another layer of simple squamous epithelium, and in the middle, though we cannot really see it, is where both their basement membranes are. Okay,